Racing Jesse started. We have Leonora's Angel. Break quick, later start. Apollo of Aquila rushing upon the outside. Buenos Aires is running by the rail, then followed by Waiting in Sydney. Boom Boom Tyler comes next. A Storm Goddess second last, while Rocking Star is the early trailer. Racing down the backstretch. We have Leonora's Angel by our length and a half. Buenos Aires in second. Apollo of Aquila is a very close third. Then 4 lengths further back in fourth comes Waiting in Sydney. Boom Boom Tyler is running by the rail. Rocking Star second last, while a Storm Goddess is still racing in last. Inside the tres octavo, we have Leonora's Angel moving upon the outside is Buenos Aires. Apollo of Aquila is racing in third. Boom Boom Tyler comes next, then followed now by Rocking Star, Storm Goddess, while Waiting in Sydney now racing in last. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Leonora's Angel, whirling and a half, moving upon the outside. Apollo of Aquila. Boom Boom Tyler finds some opening down on the inside. Last 100 meters, we have Leonora's Angel, followed now by Boom Boom Tyler, and finally Leonora's Angel, Boom Boom Tyler, Apollo of Aquila. Close, Rocking Star, Buenos Aires.
For race number 4, entry number 4, Leonora's Angel with rider JL Paano, our unofficial winner. Mas segundo 3A, Boom Boom Tyler. Numero 7, Apollo of Aquila at 6, Rocking Star. 4076 unofficial, please.